Hello and welcome back. So this is a different episode going on here. So today we are doing, I guess I would say, an upgrade to the lawn care truck. You know, the fake Ford Raptor. So I am changing these rear tail lights because I don't like the chrome right here in it. See the chrome? I don't really like that. So, as you know, I got to be different. And I'm going to, it's real windy out here. We're upgrading. Boom. Now these are black. So let me show you. So, here we go. Let's take them out. It's hard to do this with one hand. Zoom out here. So I was looking at these last night. And cut me already. So be careful when you mess with these because these have some sharp edges on them. Oh my God, it's just, look at that, it's flying away. Hold on. So here we go, I'm all back. So you see, the inside of this is black, and see, that's chrome. So now it's blacked out. See that? So all you gotta do, take these two bolts out, boom, boom, slide it out, switch the wires, and just slide this back in, bolt it up, and you're done. So let's do that now. Yeah, so, God damn it! The tripod failed, it just broke. So the phone is just sitting right there now. I don't have good tripods. Got this right here off of Wish. It's okay. Only a 10, right? And it is a 10. It is a 10. Be careful because you is going into plastic. One screw out. Lawn care truck. Upgrading a lawn care truck. I can't get, hold on. Another screw out. Gonna have to wiggle a little bit. And boom, there you go. Now you gotta be careful because there's wires in here. So, see the wires in there? See? So you gotta be careful. You gotta twist these off and don't break them, because if you mess it up, your whole thing will be messed up. You gotta be careful. So, I finally got it out. So this is the old plug and play. That's the good thing. That's the new one. But I'm gonna keep these though. I'm gonna keep these so when I sell the truck, or when I trade it in, because the truck is giving me problems, I'm going to put all the original stuff back up there. So now you just do the same thing. I don't know which one would be the easiest. Start with the bottom. Okay, that's it. Middle. side is done. See how it's blacked out? And then you come over here. See how that's blacked out? It's not that chrome. So these was only 50 bucks. So not too bad. Sneak peek. But anyway, so yeah. So there you go. And look how it fits in good, don't it? It kind of fit in better than the original. Well, yeah, it kind of do. So if we ever mess up these, guess what? Always got extras. Or running, you know, you get it. So yep. And I'm tired. It took about 20 minutes. You just gotta fit. You just gotta turn those in right. Once you turn them in right, it's easy. Okay, new upgrades to the lawn care truck.